Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to move drawing views to a different sheet. So I have this drawing. Let's say you're working on multiple drawings where you have so many views you want to project from that drawing. So let's say I'm just going to, just for this example, I'm going to make a detailed view of this corner, and I have all these drawings on this sheet and I just want to make multiple sheets. So how you do that is you come down here and you click this add sheet. So that gives you sheet 2. So I have sheet 1 and sheet 2. So how I can start moving drawing to that sheet is, if you look on this left hand corner, all this represents each of these views. So each of these views has its own feature manager tree where you can kind of like edit stuff. So let's say I want to move this view to sheet 2. So I know this view is, and if you click on it, the little blue line is circled around it. So I know I want to move this view. So what I can do is click this view, hold it, and just drag it. See, I can drag it to sheet 2 right here until you see that arrow and just drop it over there. And let's say I want to move this view. I have the detail, that's the detail view. The detail view is right here. I'm just going to drag. And one thing you need to note is anywhere you have this view on this sheet, that is where it is going to move it to on the sheet 2. So if I have it over here, if I move it, it's going to move it to sheet 2 at that location. But let me say I just drag it out here somewhere just to show you an example. And I'm just going to drag it to sheet 2. And now if I go on sheet 2, you can see that view was added and this view was added at the location where I added it. It was where it was located on sheet 1, so you can move it around. And that is how you pretty much move drawings from one view to another. And I can do the same. So I can drag this drawing, this view, drag it, and I can drag it back to sheet 1. And if I go to sheet 1, my view is back there. So anyway, that's how you move views from one sheet to another. Thank you, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.